Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious chicken Caesar salad. First, select 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, about 6 ounces each. Marinate them in a simple mixture of olive oil, lemon juice, garlic, and a pinch of salt and pepper for at least 30 minutes. This step is crucial for tender, flavorful chicken. Then, cook the chicken until it reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Let it rest before slicing. Next, let's create that iconic Caesar dressing. Combine 1 egg yolk, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, and 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice in a bowl. Gradually whisk in 1/2 cup of extra virgin olive oil until the dressing is thick and creamy. Stir in 2 cloves of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of anchovy paste, and 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. Season with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste.
Hey everyone, if you're finding these tips helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more delicious recipes. Quick recommendation, why not bring your kitchen to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker? Imagine listening to your favorite cooking playlist or setting timers hands-free while you whip up this amazing salad. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
No Caesar salad is complete without crunchy croutons. Cut 2 cups of day-old bread into 1-inch cubes. Toss them with 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, and a pinch of dried Italian herbs. Bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 15 minutes, or until golden brown and crispy. While they cool, wash and thoroughly dry 1 large head of romaine lettuce, then chop it into bite-sized pieces. Now for the best part, assembly. In a large bowl, gently toss your chopped romaine lettuce with a generous amount of the homemade Caesar dressing. Ensure every leaf is lightly coated. Arrange the sliced, cooked chicken over the dressed lettuce. Sprinkle the crispy croutons evenly across the salad. Finish with a final flourish of freshly grated Parmesan cheese and a crack of black pepper. It's truly a masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.